What's up and welcome to part 8 of developing Android application for your Android mobile phone. So in this video I'm going to go ahead and talk to you about padding and margin. Just for margin and padding I had made this particular video. So as you can see in front of your screen that I have used my keyboard because that's what came in my mind by how you can go ahead and understand it much more properly. There are other ways for explaining, but this is my way of explaining it. So as you can see that whatever the space you see outside of the button, it is margin, but whenever you and see the letter which is inside the button, it is going to be the padding. So total it is going to take the area of this whole button. So and see your keyboard properly, so it is taking the size of total of this distance. But whatever you see it is coming upwards, it's all taking the space from bottom to the top. So it is like taking the size of a margin. Same way it is going to apply it inside your mobile phone. If everything is inside, it is going to be the padding, and if it is outside the button, it is going to be the margin. So for example, as you can see in front of your screen, this is text view and margin only. So it has taken whatever is outside. So here also you can see whatever is outside in this text view padding only. So here we have used what is inside, and inside it there is a text view. So from this text view we have and write out the code inside this text view, and so on. I hope you got my point and describe you how it has been written. So this is a linear layout, and here everything you must understand what is written right over here. So first of all, it is written inside the code as 10dp. So dp stands for, I just explained you in the previous video. So dp, it is going to take the size which is going to be outside. So as you can see, it is taking what is outside. Alright, so now you know that what is taken outside is actually a margin. For deeper understanding, they have given the color is text color, and here you can find out the code as #000. Just if you want to know the color of whatever application you are making, just to your browser and here and type material design Android. So here you will get the application which is going to be from the developers.android.com, and here it will lead to your application that how you should go ahead and customize it inside your mobile phone. Material design. So here you will get the code of material design style. So from here you can learn about the color, and from here you will get the code of this is going to be the darkest pink, this is going to be the lightest pink. Just go ahead and wrap that code and just switch back, and inside the code you can choose the color for that. Here you can understand that background is being used for color and text color is being used for color. Second thing, inside the text view we used sp, where else and use image or something else we are going to and use dp. We have used dp for margin and padding as well. I hope you got the knowledge that how we can search the color just by going to Google and type material design Android, and it will lead you to this website. And on top of that, everything which I discuss in the videos will everything be inside my description. So if you understand everything, that's good. If not, you can check out my description, and from that link you can go and visit that website. So, and from the Google developer option we have got a cheat sheet, show you about the cheat sheet which is given by Google developers for Android. So here you will get the PDF files from Google developers. Here you will get what is text view, what is image view, and what is button view. You have covered all of these three topics, and another will be views and do something which is going to be taking the size of views. View code is been there, text edit code is also been there. If you are using a spinner code has been there. You can go ahead and download an PDF file. I'll add the link in the description that will lead you to this website, and from there you download it right over here. So there is checkbox, radio button, rating bar, switch statement, seek bar, search view where you can search whatever is inside your program. So you have the search view for that, progress bar for like loading some process, so loading spinner, progress bar if your program is loading, you will have this progress bar inside your application, so it looks much more professional, and it is given by Google developers, so everything is whatever is inside over here is genuine. So I hope you try that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.